Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will learn how to set up and use multi-currency price list in Odoo. If your business operates in different countries with multiple currency and pricing rules, Odoo gives you a simple yet powerful ways to manage it all in one place. So first you have to enable your price list. So go to the sales module here in configuration, go to the settings. Here you can see in pricing, I had already enabled the price list. Now you have to create the price list. So go to the products and then click on price list. Here you can see that I had already created some price list. I select the price US price list. Here you can see that currency I had selected is USD and the country group I had selected is United States. You can select any country group according to your business. Now you can just save it, and now you can see that one more price list is Indian price list. The country I had selected is India and the currency I had selected is INR. So now you have to assign these price lists to the customer. So go to the orders. Here you can see the customers. Click on the customers. Here you can see the list of the customer. I will show you two customers among of these. So first is John. Here you can see the sales and purchase tab. Click on this tab and you can see the option of price list. Here you have to select your price list according to the customer. That I had choose the US price list for this customer. As I choose this price list, Odoo automatically convert and apply the correct prices according to the country. Now go back to the customers. Here you can see one more customer, that is Raj Sharma. And in the sales purchase tab you can also see the price list I had selected here, that is Indian price list. Now test it out. These price list, if you want to test it out, you have to go to the orders and then quotations. Here you will create a new quotation. Click on new, select your customer. Let's say I am selecting first John. Here when I am selecting this customer, you can see the price list field of price list has automatically filled here, that is US price list. Now if you add a product here, any product you can add here. Let's say I'm adding the product pad sheet, and you can see the price has been calculated in the USD. And now if you change the customer from John to the Raj Sharma and update your update the prices of your price list, then you can see the prices has been calculated in the Indian price list. So that's how easy it is to set up and manage multi-currency in Odoo. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.